Welcome to this demonstration of AI converting Spring's PetClinicRest application into OfficeFloorRest YAML endpoint configuration. Firstly, before actually showing you the AI converting the code, I'm actually showing you the actual results so that you can actually understand why this conversion is actually very, very useful in AI navigating your applications. So you'll see that the controllers and the devices have actually all been removed. We've now got these files here. These files are just simple functions now, which OfficeFloor can actually wire together. They don't need all the annotations on top as Spring does. They are basically just nice simple functions to actually call and very, very easily unit test. When you get down to the exception handling, again, just simply passing in exceptions and nice and simple without all the annotations. And then when you come down here, you'll find that here is the YAML configurations of the endpoints, and very easy for AI to navigate because it's straight off API, owners, pets, going to the various things. And when you want to find out what pet get ID does, well, it tells you exactly this is the method does it under a transaction with this level of authorization, and we can go and see if that put what it does. It does the put and wires through straight to that function. So you can actually see what each of the endpoints does, and AI can see all the endpoints very clearly here in the file structure because the file structure follows the URL path. And from there, work straight into where the actual functions are, and it can actually navigate in with very, very little needing to read the full application and actually very quickly get context over your application. So let's get into how I got AI to actually convert the Spring REST app into this structure. To ensure AI understands everything about OfficeFloor, we're going to send AI to the tutorial of the website. They can be found here and detail all the various aspects of using OfficeFloor and its function injection and its YAML configurations for endpoints to make it a lot easier for AI to actually navigate your applications. Let's get underway. We'll put the prompt in there to tell AI to look at the tutorials of OfficeFloor. Then we go through and start removing the controllers and the controller devices, and then use the decorative OfficeFloor way of defining the endpoints. And there it goes, off it goes. As you see, it's fetching OfficeFloor, it's looking for the tutorials. It's found the tutorials. It's also looking at the Spring app as we talk. And it should then, yep. Now it's going to read the tutorials. As you can see, it's starting to read through the tutorials to understand. Go through a fair bit. Then we get into it and it identifies it is a large migration, so it's going to think a bit to actually get this done. Then we're going to have to spin up an agent to do this. I'm going to work through this, and fast forward through to when the agent gets back. And now you can see the agent working, completing the last parts of migrating it. And then there it is. We've migrated the application. And you can see as we go through this, and looking at the summary, that we've now got all the tests passing, we've removed the service layer and so forth, and now put in OfficeFloor's functions. And to view the results of the AI conversion, you can come to the forked SpringPetClinicRest application within the OfficeFloor space, and there's an MR there detailing all the changes and the actual prompt used, and you can see through here all the various files actually going through, and all the creations and all the changes all the way through to get down further, the actual various REST endpoints being defined, and all of this is now available for you to have a look. I'll leave a link to this MR in the comments below. Thank you for watching this and seeing how easy it is to actually convert your applications from Spring controllers to Office 4 REST endpoints.